This peaceful lake once exploded and killed over 1,700 people without warning. In 1986, deep beneath Lake Nyos, deadly carbon dioxide gas had been building up for years. Then one night, the gas burst out in a silent wave, suffocating everything in its path. No fire, no lava, just a deadly cloud that rolled across the land, invisible and unstoppable. Scientists call it a limnic eruption, and there are still lakes today that could do the same. Would you dare swim in a lake like this? Comment never if not.